Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. We're on the Countdown to Christmas series number 16. And today is just a quick little project. I'm sharing these cute little bookmarks that I've made and little sleeves or pockets that you can put them in. And I think they make really cute little gifts for someone. There are lots of people that still read books and magazines or, whatnot, and need little markers occasionally. So these are great for that, and you can personalize them however you like. And so how I did mine was, there's a photo company that I occasionally buy my photos from, or make photo books or things like that. And so I got some of my Christmas photos printed onto these card sizes that are about 2 1/4 by 5 3/4, and I didn't have to cut them down or anything. And the photo paper is really sturdy, so it's perfect for bookmarks. And so after choosing several of my pictures, I had them done, and then I just printed out some little verses or sayings and added those to the bookmarks, and added the baker's twine and some crochet cotton for the tie at the top. And then I made some little sleeves to like this here to tuck it in. Now, I didn't do those for all of them, but I thought it was a nice idea to just kind of have a little pocket to put it in. And I think they make great little gifts for your friends or family, or to tuck it in with a card or another little gift. And yeah, so I'll show you the ones I've done here. So here's a selection here. Let's see, we'll start with this. So this is one of my photos that I took a couple Christmases ago, and it's got a nice ornament and some greenery and a little bit of snow in there even. And then I just added a saying on here that I liked. It says, "Oh, how he loves us so." So these are like inspirational bookmarks. And then here's one with a verse on it. It says, "Every good and perfect gift comes from above." And that's James 1:17. And here's another one here. "Do everything in love." I like the snow and the ornaments on there. It was from one of my planters. And then here's one. I love this picture. And we were out hiking or something, I guess, and took that one, and it says, "Be still and know." And then I did some with, a little more Christmassy designs of some of my decorating, which is the Christmas tree with the red and silver there. It was a little white tree I had decorated a couple years ago. And then some of my other decorations there. And then this I stamped on Merry Christmas on there. And here's a few more. So this will just give you some ideas. These ones I used my envelope punch board and did a kind of a different rounding of the corners at the top there. And in the center there. So it just looks a little different. And I've left them blank on the back because the paper's so nice. But you could add something on there if you like to decorate it more, but you want to keep your bookmarks fairly flat. So those are that. And then you could also use any scrapbooking paper that you have. There's so many cute ones. So if you want to do the size that I've done, it's 2 1/4 by 5 3/4. So that's that. And then the little pockets, or little sleeves, just are like this. And I've added just a little alphabet initial on the front. So you could decorate them up a little more, whatever you like. But the paper is pretty decorated itself. And yeah, they're really cute. And there's another one of the bookmarks that says Merry Christmas, and just slides in like that. So yeah, I will finish making one up here, and then quickly do one of the little pockets for you. some of these, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.